Welcome to the Creator Series. This series is brought to you by SocialBook and was made with small content creators in mind. These videos will cover a range of different topics, and I'll share my tips and advice on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get monetized, and also free tools and resources that you can use to make the most out of your content. Hello everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to cover affiliate marketing and how small content creators can make money from affiliate links and codes. Content creators make most of their revenue from brand deals and sponsorships, but they do make a small portion from Google AdSense as well as from affiliate links and codes. Honestly, affiliate links and codes do not generate the most money, but it is a source of income that you can start utilizing for your content. You may be familiar with affiliate links from YesStyle or Amazon. I think almost every brand incorporates affiliate marketing when collaborating with influencers. When brands collaborate with creators, they'll usually provide an affiliate link and an affiliate code. Affiliate links are most used for tracking. The brand is able to track how much traffic is coming to this link and where the traffic is coming from. It's also just really easy for your audience to click through the link and shop directly from there. Even my sign-up link for SocialBook is an affiliate link. Along with an affiliate link, brands will also offer an affiliate code or discount code for your viewers. It's usually a personalized code based on your handle or your channel name, and your viewers can utilize the discount code and save some money when they check out. So this is like an incentive, because who doesn't love saving money on products? Sometimes brands will offer you a commission for every purchase made through your link, or the collaboration could just be free products in exchange for content. And you'll have to get more information from the brand on how the payment is made, but make sure that their commission is legit so that you actually do get paid for selling their product, because you definitely deserve it. With a lot of affiliate programs, it can be difficult for small content creators to get accepted. I know that the Amazon influencer program is very specific about followers and engagement in order to qualify, so definitely do your research about different affiliate programs. I think it's really cool that SocialBook offers an affiliate program for small content creators. You can sign up for free. If you already have a SocialBook account, you can apply for it. SocialBook offers an affiliate program within their creator shop, which is called SocialShop. So these are a variety of items that you could be sent for review on your channel, and when you apply to be a partner of SocialShop, you can generate your own link and discount code and start earning commission from them. So let me show you how SocialShop looks like and how you can start earning commission. So once you get onto the SocialBook website and you've logged in and connected your accounts, go over to the left and click SocialShop. This will take you to the creator shop. SocialShop is an all-inclusive creator shop. They work closely with creators around the globe, including scientists, inventors, and designers to create some of the world's most innovative products. Most important, these products are developed with you in mind. Here we have a selection of jewelry, from necklaces and earrings. You can browse different categories. Let's take a look at the flash sale. Again, more jewelry. They have different styles, different materials, different color choices. And there's something for almost everyone. There's also rings, bracelets, there's also different brush sets, eye makeup, lip colors, a beauty sponge, false lashes, and they also have clothing. So in order to apply to be part of SocialShop, click Partnership. So with this referral link, for every purchase made through it, I will earn a 10% commission. And here is my coupon code. For every time this coupon code is used, your viewers will get 10% off, and you'll also get a 10% commission. So in the Marketing Tools tab, there is a Product Links section, and it will generate a link that takes your viewers directly to it, and every time a purchase is made through this link, you will get commission for it. So for example, I reviewed the OC Beauty Revival Facial Mask. I can paste this link to Product Links, and it will generate a link that will give me commission every time a purchase is made through it. Here you can track your payments. I put in my PayPal email address. You don't have to log in or anything. You just put in your email and they will send it through there. So it's safe and secure. So on your profile, you sign up with your name. It's optional to put your phone number and your social media accounts. You could put your website and your Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube, or Facebook. You can change your referral code if you would like. When you are including affiliate links and codes and you're earning commission from them, you must put a disclaimer. This is part of the Federal Trade Commission, and this protects consumers from fraud, unfair, or deceptive practices in the marketplace, and it's just good practice to be upfront about it. There's nothing to hide. There's no shame in accepting sponsorships or making money from affiliate links, and as long as you're making content that you're happy about, I don't see any point in hiding it. And your viewers will appreciate it more if you're transparent, because they are the ones who are supporting your channel and helping it to grow and to even be able to monetize your content in the first place. And that is it for this video. I hope you were able to understand affiliate marketing a little bit more and you're more comfortable to become a brand affiliate. If you would like to start using SocialShop and SocialBook's features, you can sign up through my link. I will leave it up on the screen and in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!